we call this magical, stunning, warm, effervescent, and so energetic Deepika Padukone to join me on stage.
Good evening, everyone. And yes, I think I'm very, very excited to be here today. I think these opportunities come once in a lifetime, in an actor's life, in an actor's career, where you actually get to see yourself or some work that you've done on this level and at this scale. Yes, I think when Bajirao's look was unveiled, I think we stayed true to what the film was and unveiled it in a lot of grandeur and elan and all the big words that one can use from the dictionary. I think it was all of that and much more. And I think it's that event again and that poster again was very, very true to what Bajirao was. So we're here today to now unveil Mastani's another look. ठीक है, तो एक झलकी तो दिखा ही सकते हैं. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes? Let's do this then. But I want to really ask you कि इस character में इतने shades हैं. It must have actually been like living an entire life of that era, 18th century में वापस जाके वो सब कुछ जीना वापस आना. तो और क्योंकि संजय लीला भंसाली इतने perfectionist हैं, all of us here क्योंकि हम महाराष्ट्र के एक कोने में रहते हैं मुंबई में, जानना चाहेंगे मस्तानी के इस मस्त कैरेक्टर के बारे में. आपके थ्रू अगर 2-3 पंक्तियों में हिंदी में आप कह सकें तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. आई थिंक सबसे पहले जैसे मैंने पहले कहा वो सिर्फ एक वॉरियर नहीं थी बट एक नर्चरर भी थी, एक माँ थी. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई थिंक वट एवर शी वेंट थ्रू एज अ वुमन फॉर द सेक ऑफ लव, बिकॉज शी वॉज सो इन लव विद बाजीराव दैट शी सैक्रिफाइस्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू बी एबल टू बी विथ हिम. एंड I think as far as the film is concerned, I think ये सबसे बड़ा advantage है एक actor होने का कि through the films that you do, हमें अलग-अलग किरदार निभाने का मौका मिलता है.
बाजीराव मस्तानी में कोई ऐसा वाक्या या कोई ऐसा सीन था बहुत मुश्किल था जब आपको लगा नहीं यार मुझसे नहीं होगा ये, I should withdraw? मतलब
गाने में हुआ जब मैं बिरजू महाराज जी के साथ मैं गाना कर रही थी. इट्स कॉल्ड मोहे रंग दो लाल एंड कथक के ऊपर बेस्ड है ये गाना. राइट, तब मुझे लगा जब मैं रिहर्सल्स के लिए जाती थी और आई थिंक इट वाज वन डे बिफोर द सॉन्ग, इट वाज वन डे बिफोर वी वर गोना स्टार्ट शूटिंग एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक आई कुडंट डू इट. सो आई होप दैट व्हेन यू see the song, I hope when you see it in the film, I hope you like it. But it's something that I've worked very, very hard because I'm not a Kathak dancer. My base is Bharatnatyam. So to change my base style from Bharatnatyam to Kathak to the level that Birju Maharaj ji teaches you, or what I think what Sanjay ji's expectation was from me, it was very, very difficult. So I think that was the only point in the film where I felt like giving up and I felt like I couldn't do it.
He also asked you if you would do another period.
Yeah, and your first question, जी मैं ज़रूर करना चाहूँगी, but I think not right now. I think as far as this film is concerned, I think I'm completely exhausted right now. So if I have to do another period film, I would need to take a break and maybe do it after some time, maybe 6 months, 1 year later, not immediately. Like I don't think I can do a period film right now.